So you want to learn better chops like this? But most of the times you end up playing this. Let me give you a few building blocks to actually create those chops, to develop cooler chops, cooler fills, and just to be able to play those ideas that I have in my head. It starts with using your bass drum in your fills, not just on the downbeats with a crash, which we usually do, moving them to different places in your 16-note grid or in your 16-note triplet grid. So let's take a look at the few building blocks, or the groupings as I like to call them, that you can use to create these kind of chops. So the first 4 blocks are actually super easy to understand because we're playing 16th notes. Normally we have 4 groupings of 4, right? So what we're going to do is one by one replace one of these notes with a bass drum. And we're going to start with the 1 E and da. So the last one in the group of 4. Right, left, right, kick. So now we're moving it 1/16th note to the 1 E and da, all right, on the 3rd note. Right, left, kick, left. Let's move it another 16th note to the 1 E and da. Right, kick, right, left. And now we've come to the last note. We're going to play it on the 1. Kick, left, right, left. Alright, now you have these building blocks, but it doesn't really sound choppy if you repeat the same pattern all the time, right? So here's one idea. We're going to play all these blocks one time, giving us a 1-bar fill. Sounds like this. Alright, that's starting to sound a little choppy, right? But it's still not really there yet. You have to understand that you're building your capacity to play these things. So you have to build up and then isolate these ideas, and then we're going to put it all together and it becomes a little bit more of an improvisation with all these different blocks. Let me take you through another few blocks using 2 bass drums. We're going to start with right, left, kick, kick. Let's move the bass drums in the middle, so it's going to be right, kick, kick, left. Let's move it another 2 16th notes. Kick, kick, right, left. And let's move it another 16th notes. That means that we're now actually playing the bass drum on the first and on the last. Kick, right, left, kick, or kick, left, right, kick. Alright, so I suggested 2 different stickings. I want to invite you to find different stickings that are comfortable for you and that sound cool on your drum set. If you have like 3 toms on the left and 2 toms on the right, it only makes sense to sometimes change the sticking to create a different melody. All right, so play with that. You don't want to get stuck with the same sticking, playing the same round again over the drum kit. That's where the real creativity starts. You finding a melody that you find that sounds cool. Okay, let me show you a chop, an idea, or a phrase that I like to use. It's actually a combination of left, kick, right, left. So the second block of using one bass drum in your fill, and kick, right, left, kick up the block with 2 bass drums. Sounds like this. And then just move it around the drum kit a little bit. You get the idea, right? This sounds way more choppy than just single strokes on your snare and on your toms. It opens up a realm to new ideas, new fills, and cool things. I mean, come on, this is just cool to play, right? But now here's the challenge. Go create your own chops and fills and groupings and phrases, all right? Grab a block, put it together with another block, stack another block on top of it, use 3 different blocks and, you know, keep going. Like, the possibilities are endless. And I really want to emphasize that this is the way to create your own unique fills and chops, instead of just copying whatever you see on the internet, on social media, or wherever, right? Create your own chops. Use these blocks. Let me give you 2 more blocks that are really nice to practice. Right kick, and left kick, left kick. It's something that I see drummers use all the time, and I love it too. And just being able to use your bass drum at higher speeds and in this way, it just sounds really cool, and it gives you a lot of nice options. Now in the next video, I'm going to share how you can do this in 16-note triplets, because this video got longer than I thought. You know, let's dive into another video discussing 16-note triplet drum fills, chops, and groupings. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.